Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add horizontal line in Word for resume. Open your Word document. Here, place the cursor under the text. To insert a line, you must type the underscore 3 or 4 times, then press Enter to create the line. Now enter the asterisk 3 or 4 times and press Enter to create a dotted line. Finally, you can enter the equal sign 3 or 4 times and press Enter to create the double line. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.